let's get to it. Today we're going to be trying these new shower power strips. So, yeah. You can go first. Yes or no?
Okay, this is
Go.
sour. Okay, I'm about to go.
He don't even care. He's like a happy man.
I like it.
Stuff it in your mouth.
Yeah, shove it in there, Leva. Hey, I'm about to swallow it. Watch.
Okay, a whole thing.
Look, I'm about to swallow it. I swallowed it.
Look. Zoom it on his face.
Okay, the aftertaste sucks. The aftertaste on your taste buds sucks.
Okay, alright, me and Emma now. Get your
Oh my jaw.
Okay, you have to stuff it in, okay? Like put the
3,
whole thing in.
2, 1, go.
Hashtag James
I haven't moved the mushroom.
Hashtag
It's not
we got
there at
this
all.
from James Charles.
I love it.
I'm good.
We got this from James
That
Charles.
is good.
Just so you know. And
I'm crying.
Here, Mallory.
say hi to our producer.
My eyes are watering. I haven't moved the mushroom. I've been sitting here like this the whole time.
Okay.
Can you cut Jace out of the video when you got like, yeah?
Okay, so, Jace, what is your actual Jace?
I don't regret anything.
Okay. It was good.
I like the taste,
Okay.
but the aftertaste on your taste buds sucks.
Okay, so you like it.
Mostly on it would be a
Rate it.
okay. If it was up to me, it would be a
What are
9.1.
your thoughts about the candy?
Let me tell you a story. Watch me. Ready, set, go. Let me tell you a story. It was sour, but it was tasty. I can't tell you how bad, how sour it was. But if you want to see which one's better, there's a link down below.
Okay, what was your thoughts about this candy? Nice.